Natural tartar removal methods that work at home effectively. 3 years ago, my dentist showed me something shocking on my x-rays. Yellow-brown deposits covered my teeth like concrete, and professional cleaning would cost over $800. Desperate to find alternatives, I researched natural methods that actually work. Remove tartar naturally without expensive dental visits. Tartar forms when plaque hardens through mineral deposits from saliva. This process happens gradually over days, but once established, tartar creates rough surfaces that attract more bacteria and plaque buildup. My research led me to Dr. Harold Katz, a bacteriologist who developed the TheraBreath system. He explained that tartar removal requires breaking down calcium phosphate crystals that bind the deposits to tooth enamel. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment that softens tartar deposits naturally. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with half a teaspoon of salt in warm water. This solution neutralizes acids while gently abrading surface tartar. Brush with this mixture twice weekly for optimal results. The mild abrasive action helps remove soft tartar while protecting tooth enamel from damage. Avoid daily use as excessive abrasion can weaken teeth over time. White vinegar contains acetic acid that dissolves mineral deposits effectively. Dilute 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in half a cup of warm water. Swish this solution for 30 seconds before brushing normally. The acidic environment breaks down calcium buildup while killing bacteria that contribute to tartar formation. Use this method once weekly to prevent enamel erosion from excessive acid exposure. Oil pulling with coconut oil reduces bacterial load significantly. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily. The lauric acid in coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that prevent plaque hardening. This ancient Ayurvedic practice removes toxins and bacteria before they form tartar deposits. Spit out the oil after swishing and rinse with warm water thoroughly. Hydrogen peroxide acts as both antibacterial agent and mild bleaching compound. Mix equal parts 3% hydrogen peroxide with water for a safe concentration. Use this solution as a mouthwash twice weekly. The bubbling action helps dislodge food particles while killing bacteria that contribute to tartar formation. Never swallow hydrogen peroxide and avoid using concentrations higher than 3%. Activated charcoal powder absorbs toxins and stains from tooth surfaces. Dip a wet toothbrush in food-grade activated charcoal powder and brush gently for 2 minutes once weekly. The porous structure of activated charcoal binds to bacteria and surface stains. Rinse thoroughly after use as charcoal particles can remain in mouth crevices. Lemon juice contains citric acid that breaks down tartar deposits naturally. However, direct application can damage tooth enamel due to high acidity levels. Mix fresh lemon juice with equal parts water and use as a rinse once monthly. The diluted acid helps soften tartar while reducing enamel damage risk. Strawberries contain malic acid that naturally whitens teeth and removes surface stains. Mash fresh strawberries with a pinch of baking soda to create a natural paste. Brush with this mixture for 2 minutes monthly. The enzymes in strawberries help break down protein deposits while providing gentle whitening effects. Proper brushing technique prevents tartar formation more effectively than any removal method. Use soft bristled brushes with fluoride toothpaste, brushing for 2 minutes twice daily. Angle your brush at 45 degrees toward the gum line where tartar typically forms. Gentle circular motions remove plaque before it hardens into tartar deposits. Flossing daily removes plaque from between teeth where brushes cannot reach. Use proper flossing technique by gently sliding floss between teeth and curving around each tooth base. Water flossers provide alternative cleaning for people with dexterity issues. These devices use pressurized water to remove food particles and bacteria from tight spaces. Diet significantly impacts tartar formation rates. Limit sugary and starchy foods that feed bacteria in your mouth. Increase consumption of fibrous fruits and vegetables that naturally clean teeth. Green tea contains polyphenols that reduce bacterial growth and inflammation. Drinking 2 to 3 cups daily provides antioxidant benefits while supporting oral health naturally. Cheese and dairy products neutralize acids in your mouth while providing calcium for tooth remineralization. End meals with small amounts of cheese to reduce acid levels. Regular dental checkups remain essential even with effective home care. Professional cleanings remove stubborn tartar that home methods cannot eliminate completely.